Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trick or treat and how you can buy Halloween items. So this is one of the Halloween items. Actually, I just colored it pink. I'm just going to go to this person's house and I'm just going to press E to claim. Then to buy Halloween items, you're just going to go to the Halloween event here on the right side. Then go to the shop section. That's very hard to say. Select the item that you want to buy and just press the yes. To place it in your lot, go to build mode and then go to inventory, and you're going to be able to find the item that you bought here. I don't know where to place it, not gonna lie. But you're just going to basically place it. You can even like color it as well if you'd like to. But it's going to be in inventory. You can also find more Halloween items under the decorate section, special, and some of the items you can buy with like cash, like with like block bucks. Well, like with the money that they have here, not block bucks, sorry. But some of them you need to collect tickets that you get from trick or treating. So make sure you go around this city a lot because you'll need a lot of these tickets. As you can see, I have spent a lot on it, so I only have 600 left. Well, 675 left. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.